Welcome back, small engine enthusiasts. Today we are loading up the bike, this one to be specific, and heading out for some better roads. Well, different roads, not necessarily better. You know, they're all country roads around here, but I like to keep it fresh for you guys, not recording the same daggone things over and over and over. So, you know, that's the plan today. You know, stick around. Let's go for a ride. Okay, and here we are at our destination. Outside of Big Oaks National Wildlife Refuge, actually. Pretty beautiful place out here. So we're going to hit the back roads here. Off we go. Those guys are discussing right now what the hell was that he was riding. Oh, Mr. Turtle. Now, Mr. Turtle, you're going to get hurt out here, buddy. Put him the way he was already going. I'd say that was a heck of a wind that blew that tree over. Although it was dead and sitting there. We're just about 4 miles in on our ride now. Fire department in this town, right there, also known as a 2-car garage. A little house right there. Let's see it. Lots of kids live here. Amen to that. Let the bike have a rest here for a second. Check things over before we turn around and start heading back to the old Vic. Like I said, this is all part of the proving grounds. AKA National Wildlife Refuge. As I was saying, this is part of the National Wildlife Refuge, and also the old military proving grounds. Now, the reason the unauthorized entry is prohibited is because there is unexploded ammunition back in them woods there. And we've got one bike ride video back in them proving grounds. Back on the 4th of July, James and I went back there on our motorized bikes. And we're going to do it again here this weekend. We're going to do part 2. We might even drag my wife Bonnie along. So that ought to be pretty interesting. Explore a little bit more of this massive proving grounds we have out here. Okay, we got to bike a little break there. So there we go, guys and gals, fellas and fillettes. Nice long ride for you guys today. I tried to keep the roads fresh, you know, not keep recording the same daggone rides, you know, because I hate going on the same roads over and over. I'm sure you'd hate to see them over and over. So, you know, that's what the bike hauler's for. So thanks for riding along with me. Hit the like button. If you haven't already, please subscribe. The channel's growing like crazy. We're at 195. It's freaking awesome, guys. So let's keep the momentum going. And we will see you this weekend.